WPSU is proud to present its Summer of Virtual Camps through August 21st. These engaging camp episodes premiere daily, Monday through Friday, and are archived on the WPSU Facebook page and at wpsu.org/virtual camps. Camps include Music Mondays with Melanie, Tuesday Tales with various authors, Wednesday Walks with Carolyn, Thursday STEM Camp with Kate, and Friday Upcycled Fun with Laura. Music Mondays features the Hollidaysburg Children's Librarian, Melanie Ramsey, making music, writing songs, and teaching about rhyming words. Tuesday Tales incorporates 3 to 4 bedtime stories, usually read by the authors of the books. Wednesday Walks with Carolyn features WPSU's own Carolyn Donaldson, as she takes families on a series of fun and educational nature walks in free public spaces around central Pennsylvania. Thursday STEM Camp with Kate features educator and naturalist Kate Berardi, as she shares her love of nature and the exciting things we can find in our own backyards. Friday Upcycled Fun with Laura shows families what can be done with an array of fun and easy projects using everyday household items, showing fun ways to create with things we put in our own recycling bins. WPSU's Laura Miller is the host. Be sure to stay tuned through August 21st as WPSU presents its Summer of Virtual Camps.